You know, after more than 20 years in the markets, I've realized something shocking. Money doesn't behave the way you think it does. It's not just about math, charts, or strategy. It's about psychology. Because here's the truth. Your bank account is a mirror of your mindset. Some people can make millions and lose it all within a few years, while others turn modest paychecks into generational wealth. The difference isn't luck. It's how they think about money. So today, we're diving into the psychology of people and money, and I'll share 5 powerful examples that reveal how your mindset can either build wealth or quietly destroy it. Let's get into it. 1. Money reflects emotion, not logic. One of the biggest misconceptions about money is that we make rational financial decisions. We don't. We make emotional ones, then use logic to justify them. Take the 2008 financial crisis. Panic made people sell at the bottom while a few calm minds like Warren Buffett were buying. Buffett once said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." That's pure psychology. Investors who stayed grounded in data and discipline saw the crash as a discount, not a disaster. They understood that emotional control, not intelligence, is what separates winners from worriers. 2. Self-discipline beats high IQ. I've met plenty of brilliant people who are terrible with money. Doctors, engineers, even financial analysts. The problem? They lack behavioral discipline. As Buffett's partner Charlie Munger said, "The big money is not in the buying and selling, but in the waiting." You don't need to outsmart the market. You just need to outlast it. Wealth grows quietly, not instantly. It's like planting a tree. If you dig it up every week to check the roots, it'll never grow. 3. Wealth is about retaining, not just earning. You can earn $1 million and still be broke if you don't know how to keep it. True wealth comes from understanding the psychology of contentment, knowing when enough is actually enough. Housel, in The Psychology of Money, said it best. Wealth is what you don't see, the cars not bought, the jewelry not purchased, the lifestyle not upgraded. It's the invisible decisions that create long-term freedom. When people chase status instead of stability, they lose sight of the real goal, financial peace, not financial flex. 4. Pain creates perspective. Let's be honest, most people fear downturns, but seasoned investors, we embrace them. Every financial crisis I've lived through, from the dot-com bubble to COVID, has created some of the best opportunities of my life. While the crowd runs from risk, disciplined investors run toward it, not recklessly but strategically. It's the same reason why one viewer on a similar channel said they benefited from the crisis while others panicked. That's the psychology of resilience, turning pain into perspective. 5. Money mirrors identity. Finally, the deepest truth. Your relationship with money reflects your relationship with yourself. People who constantly need to prove something, buy things they don't need to impress people who don't care. But people who understand self-worth don't rely on financial performance for validation. As investor and author Naval Ravikant said, "You don't get rich by renting out your time, you get rich by owning things that make money while you sleep." That's not just about investments, it's about owning your mindset. Closing, call to action. So here's the question I want to leave you with. Are you controlling your money's psychology, or is your money controlling you? If this video gave you a new perspective, hit that like button. Not for the algorithm, but to remind yourself that knowledge compounds just like capital. Subscribe for more insights from 20+ years in the markets, because the best investment you can ever make is in how you think about money